Tumuusad ko sabay silang kauban.
Buying Yakult and some snacks, right? Jill?
Hoy, nagtanab.
Hey lang naman mamabayot, be! Chi. If you're asking where am I, I'm in the Philippines.
Body na ako. Ayaw. Hindi ko. Namoy. Yakult. Oh, nang dami man siya. Nagkasyo.
The snacks in the juice pa. Now we going now. Palit na gyud kog juice. Kuan mo na, dagko lang kuan na. Fold in a bit. Yeah, but now by the way, I'm just eating the juice. Go na, Jill. If you're asking where is that bracelet from, that's from Boracay. That's from Boracay, from that katong green yun. Labo. Oh. Pwede rin ka maghatag, Jill? Pwede ka maghatag? Kuan, Clover. Unsa na? No, flavor. Unsa lang amen?
Ham and
Ay, ham and cheese.
tagan sa kagkalo.
Hoy, Inday. So, kung papos quarter, bitaw na.
Ganyan upat.
Beach Mambuang. I'll just update you. Just wait in a bit. We're almost home. I'm gonna pause this in a bit. If you hear sounds at the background earlier, that's my pagmangkon and his friends. I'm a run. Girl!
Yeah.
Bye, guys.